We'll guide you through how to make metallic text in Canva. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening your browser so you can begin the process. Once the browser loads, go to the search bar and type Canva, then press Enter so the search results appear. From the list of results, click the first website that looks like the right one, which will take you to the official page of Canva. When the site opens, log in with your account, or sign in if you have never made one before. After you get into your workspace, look to the left side of the screen and click the Create button. In the box that appears, type the ratio you want to use for your design. As an example, you can choose a wallpaper ratio and click it to start a blank project with that size. Once the project loads, move your focus to the left side menu and click the Apps menu. Inside the Apps section, use the search bar to look for Text Maker. When you find it, select the option called Text Studio Maker. After it opens, scroll down until you find the metallic font group. Look through the choices until you see the one labeled silver and click it so you can use it. Inside this tool, you will see a space where you can input your text, so type the words you want. If you want to change the style, click the font section to pick a different one from the list. You can also select more option to adjust spacing and line height so the text looks the way you want. When you are happy with the setup, click Add to Design so the text is placed on your canvas. The text will appear on your main design area, and you can change the scale by dragging the corners. You can also click and move it to adjust the position until it fits your layout. After the design looks right, go to the top right corner and click Share. A menu will appear, and from there you should click Download. Before you continue, turn on the option called Transparent Background so the final file has no solid color behind it. This is useful if you want to place the text on other images later. After switching that option on, click Download again to save the final file to your device. The file will start processing and then save, giving you a clean text element with a silver metallic style layouts.